In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show payments on an invoice in QuickBooks Online using a laptop browser. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account on your laptop. Once you're in, look to the left navigation menu and go to Sales, then choose Invoices. This takes you to your full list of invoices so you can quickly find the one you're working with. You can scroll or use the search and filters at the top to narrow it down if your list is long. When you've located the correct invoice, look across its row. Next to View Edit, you'll see a button labeled Receive Payment. Click Receive Payment to open the payment window for that invoice. This is where you'll record the details of what you received from your customer. In the Receive Payment window, start by confirming or selecting the customer. QuickBooks will typically fill this in based on the invoice you chose, but it's always good to double-check that the name matches the invoice on screen. Next, enter the payment date. Set this to the actual date you received the money, which keeps your records and reports accurate. Choose the payment method that matches how you were paid, such as cash, check, card, or bank transfer, so your records reflect reality and you can reconcile more easily later. Then enter the amount received. If your customer paid the full amount, enter the full total. If it's a partial payment, enter just what you received today. QuickBooks will handle the math and keep track of any remaining balance. You'll see the invoice listed in the table on this window. Make sure the invoice is checked so the payment is applied to that specific invoice. If you're applying the payment to multiple invoices for the same customer, you can check more than one, but for a single invoice payment, just leave the one selected. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close to finish and return to your invoice list, or click Save and New if you're ready to record another payment right away. After saving, the invoice will show the payment applied at the bottom, along with the remaining balance if there is one. This makes it clear at a glance whether the invoice is fully paid or still open. Finally, remember that the small arrow next to View Edit on the invoice row gives you more options like duplicate, send, print, void, and other invoice actions, which can be handy for follow-ups or record keeping. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.